Craving for a quick and a crispy snack for the evening? Let's make a jackfruit chips. It will take only very few minutes. I'm from Kerala, and for us, summer season means lots and lots of jackfruits and mangoes. Now I am in Bangalore, but on every weekend we make it a point that we buy all this Kerala stuff from the Kerala stores nearby to my home. So this Sunday, I got a big raw jackfruit. I can either make some savory out of it, I can actually make curries out of this jackfruit, or I can make crispy chips out of it. And my family loves these chips a lot. So to clean the cleaning part of the raw jackfruit is the hardest part. What you have to do is apply some oil on both of your hands so that the glue like thing will not stick to your hands. Apply the oil generously and remove all these bulbs of jackfruit. And once that is removed, remove the seed from that bulb and slice it very nicely and uniformly so that when you fry it, everything will be crisp. You can use any kind of oil for frying. You can use sunflower oil also. If you like coconut oil, please go ahead with the coconut oil. I usually put it in a low flame and fry it for a long time, so it always guaranteed that crispy texture to it. Once it is fried I take it out and add some salt and masala to it. If you don't want masala, don't add it. But masala gives a different kind of flavor. And that's it. You have your crispy, tasty jackfruit chips here in minutes.